Hello friends, today we will discuss question number 9. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? Here you see the hint is convert data in centimeter, right? Now we will do the solution. Now, to stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. To stitch a shirt, two meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Cloth is needed. You have to change this 2 meter 15 centimeter into centimeter. That is 2 meter 15 centimeter means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? That means you have to change this into centimeter. That is 2 into 100 plus 15 centimeter. That means 200 plus 15 centimeter, and we are getting 215 centimeter. Now the question is, out of 40 meter cloth, there is a cloth length is 40 meter, and to stitch a shirt we need only 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth. That means you have to change this number, that is 40 meter, you have to change this number into centimeter, right? That means length of cloth is equal to 40 meter. That is 40 into 100 centimeter. That is 4000 centimeter. Right? Therefore, number of shirts made, therefore number of shirts can be made is equal to 4000 divided by 215. Now if we divide 4000 by 215, that is 4000 by dividing by 215, 5, that is 1, 2, 1, 5. After that we will subtract 5, 2, 8, carry on to 1, 3, 4, 1, 8, 5, 0. If you multiply this 215 with 8, what we are getting? 215 multiply with 8, 8, 5, 8 is 40, 4, 0, 8 1 is 8, 4, 12, 1 is 1, 8 is 2, 8 is 16 plus 1, 17, 17, 20. That means it is 17, 20. Now if we subtract it, we are getting 0, 2, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, and 1, 8, 130, right? The remainder is 130. That means number of certs can be made is 18. Made is 18. And the remainder is how much? 130. That means how much cloth will remain? That means 130 centimeter cloth will remain. That means therefore 130 centimeter cloth will remain. That is the answer. This is the answer. Now we are repeating once again. What is the question? To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how much shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? That means to stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. We have to change this 2 meter 15 centimeter into centimeter. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore 2 into 100 plus 15, that is 200 plus 15, 215 centimeter. And length of the cloth is how much? 40 meter. We have to change this into centimeter again. That is 40 into 100 centimeter, that is 4000 centimeter. Therefore number of sets can be made 4000 divided by 215. We have divided the number, you are getting, you see, that is 18. That means number of sets can be made is 18 and the remainder is 130. How much? The question is how many shirts can be made or stitched? The number of shirts can be stitched is 18 and how much cloth will remain? That is 130 centimeter cloth will remain. That is the solution of question number 9.